Welcome to our channel. Verifying your PayPal account is essential for removing limits and accessing all features. Here's exactly how to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Make sure you're on the official PayPal website. Step 2. Click on the notification banner asking you to verify your account, or go to Settings and click Get Verified. Step 3. Confirm your email address by clicking the link PayPal sent when you registered. Check spam folder if needed. Step 4. Add and confirm your bank account. Click Link a Bank and enter your routing and account numbers accurately. Step 5. PayPal will make 2 small deposits to your bank account. This typically takes 2 to 3 business days. Step 6. Check your bank statement for the 2 small deposits from PayPal. Note the exact amounts. Step 7. Return to PayPal and enter the 2 deposit amounts to confirm your bank account ownership. Step 8. Add and confirm a credit or debit card. Enter your card details and the verification code from your statement. Step 9. Complete identity verification if prompted. Upload requested documents like driver's license or utility bill. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.